Well, I'm doing this video to see if anybody can tell me if they think if this is a fuel issue or a timing issue on a Mercury 100. The idle. Seems to me that it idles a little bit rough, but from what I understand, these engines do idle rough. I'm gonna keep it out of gear and bring it up to about 2,300 RPMs. Hopping around. Probably hear the engine hopping around.